Look at all these cars here. Quite an amazing museum. .300 SL. Check this out. They have a freaking Batmobile here. They even have the Jaguar XJ220. What a collection here. Ferrari 512, Maserati Bora, Lamborghini Diablo, the Countach, the Ferrari 348 TB, Lamborghini Espada, and the Dukes of Hazzard's car. The DeLorean. We got some F1 cars here. And the 1985 Williams. The Ferrari FX. Wow. I didn't know Ferrari made this car. That's very interesting to see. And it's a right-hand drive. What? Very interesting car. And this is the Ferrari 456 Spider. The 365, a Dino, the 195S, a Testarossa, the 355, and the 512, the 550 Maranello. What a cute little car. Got some motorcycles here too.